Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's makeup tutorial is gonna be about Eid special. So I'll be doing this makeup. This is very versatile and can go with every outfit possible. And at the same time, it's simple yet elegant. And if you like what you see so far, please continue watching. So I'm using Nykaa's Prep Me Up Primer. I'll be doing my eyes first. So for that I'll conceal my lids first. The product I'm using for the same is Maybelline New York Fit Me in the shade medium. I'll use Fit Me loose powder in the shade 15 light. The palette I'm using for my eyes today is from Makeup Revolution Chocolate Rose Gold palette. I'll use brown shade on my lid. I'm using golden shimmer shade and I'll just use my fingers to apply it. I use this shade because it will go with every outfit possible. I'll take the blending brush and mix the two colors together. I'll not put eyeliner, instead I'll use a black shadow and I'll give it a shadow effect. The brush I'm using is from Miniso, it's a flat angular brush. And I'll just put it here on the outer corner. I'll not go towards the inner corner, I'll just use it on outer corner. So now we'll move on to our base. The product I'm using is Nykaa Skin Shield in the shade 07 Hot Honey. I'll just put few drops on the plate. And for that glowy shimmery effect, I'll use a Mist Clear liquid highlighter and I'll put 2-3 drops of the same. I'll mix them with my PAC 307 flat brush. It's a foundation brush. This foundation is medium to buildable full coverage. So now for the concealer, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 15 medium. I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me's setting powder in the shade 15 light. And I'll set the rest of my face as well. So now I'll do my under eye portion. So for that I'm using my kajal first. I'll use brown shade which I used on my lid for my under eye as well. I'll dust off the powder. I'll throw on some mascara. The mascara I'm using is from Milk Makeup. For the bronzer, I'm using NYX matte bronzer in the shade Deep Tan. I'll use my PAC 214 brush to apply my bronzer. I'll use blush now. It's from Sugar Cosmetic in the shade 05 Coral Climax. For the highlighter, I'm using Becca's highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop. I'll use this highlighter on my inner corners as well. So now for my lips, I'm using Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Driver's Seat. Last but not the least, I'll be using Smashbox Primer Water to set all the makeup I've used. So this is our final look.